Have you ever wondered how your phone recognizes your face, how Netflix recommends movies, or how ChatGPT answers questions? That's artificial intelligence, or AI. In simple terms, AI is technology that helps computers learn from data and perform tasks that normally require human intelligence. So how does it work? Imagine teaching a computer to recognize a cat. First, the AI is shown thousands of pictures of cats and other animals. It studies patterns like ears, eyes, whiskers, and body shape. Over time, it learns which features usually belong to a cat. Then, when the AI sees a new image, it compares those patterns and makes a prediction. I think this is a cat. So the more high-quality data and training the AI receives, the more accurate it becomes. So the basic idea is simple. Data goes in, AI learns patterns, and AI makes predictions or decisions. Like this video? Don't forget to subscribe to Learn with Whiteboard for more quick tech lessons like this one.